We have a lot of fun stuff to do today. Um, but first of all, did anybody come across any examples of math in real life this last week? No? Did none of you log in and look at your Learning Earnings website? Yeah, Tyler, tell me a little bit about that because that's math.
Hmm. My sister showed me a little bit more about it, but I don't know
Oh,
a lot
okay.
about it.
All right. Well, when you get a minute, all of you should go and check it out because there is money in your accounts and there will be more money today since you all showed up and are all going to definitely participate. And you can spend that money on real things like movie tickets and ice cream and like real things. So you could save it up for something big or you can, just spend it as you get it. So that's definitely an example of math in real life. All right. And you can always type in any problems that you might have had in your weekly assignments, and we could talk about those in a minute if you had any that were troublesome. And then we're going to do some practice problems with our multiplication tables all the way through the 12s. We're going to talk about factors and multiples, and we're going to talk about prime and composite numbers. So those are all things that you're kind of studying right now. And then very soon, you're going to be talking a little bit more about multiplication and division fact families. And then we also have a game after we do some practice. So are we ready to get started? Let me see a thumbs up. All right, cool. Okay, I'm going to put your microphones on. So if there's any background noise, make sure you turn it off or ask whoever to leave. Okay, here we go. First thing we're going to start with is prime and composite numbers. Before we do practice with it, can somebody tell me what a prime number is and then what a composite number is? Go ahead, Jaden.
A prime number is one that's like only has one in itself.
Yes, as divisors. There is nothing else you can divide the number by except for one and itself. Like think of the number 2. The only thing that you can multiply together is a 1 times 2 to get the answer of 2. Um,
Yeah.
yeah, so what about a composite number?
Um, it's one that has like a bunch of factors.
Of That's right. Maybe like the number 8, for example, because you can multiply a 1 times 8, a 2 times 4, and there has definitely more than two multiples for composite numbers. So this will be pretty quick review. And here we go. Is 3 a prime number? Go ahead and you could just raise your hand because I can see all of you. Let's take it from Will. Yes, it is because 1 times 3 is the only factors. Good. Is 7 a prime number? Vero.
Yes.
Yes, that's right because 1 and 7 are the only factors. Ooh, trick question. Is 1 a prime number? Ooh. What do you think, Tyler? Okay, let's see. Awesome. Is 5 a prime number? Yeah, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. We'll just go fast. If it's a prime number, give me a thumbs up. Okay, cool. Is 4 a prime number? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. That's right, because we have 2 times 2 and then 1 times 4. That's right. All right, this is way too easy for you guys. Is 7 a prime number? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yay! Okay. So they're giving us a bunch of questions about prime numbers. We're going to move on to, oh, well, here we go. Is 3 a prime number or composite number? So I'm going to have you raise your hand for this one. Go ahead, Vero.
A composite number?
Are you sure?
I think it's a prime number.
It's a prime number because the only factors are 1 and 3.
Okay.
Yeah. Is 9 a prime number? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. That's right. It's composite. Very good. Is 4 a prime number or composite number? I have to raise our hand for this one. Go ahead, Will.
No.
Well, it's asking you which is it? Is it prime or is it composite? It's composite, right?
Yes.
Okay, there you
Oh,
go.
sorry, my mic wasn't on.
Oh, I was kind of wondering about that. All right, guys, we're going to play a different little game with prime and composite numbers called Fruit Shoot. All right, so basically, you guys are going to be able to use the chat to type in what I am supposed to shoot. Okay, so basically, they're going to tell me, do they want me to shoot a prime number or do they want me to shoot a composite number? And I have to kind of aim and shoot at the fruit. So let's go ahead and do relaxed mode so that we're not timed. And they want a composite number. Type the composite number you see into the chat. Composite number, composite. So it has more than one multiple or factor. Good. I'm seeing a 6. I'm seeing a 4. Okay, I'm trying to shoot it. Ah! Okay, I'm not very good at this apparently. There we go. Oh, okay, now they want a prime number. Which piece of fruit do I need to shoot? I'm getting a 3. Good. And a 5. Prime number. Okay. Oh, they switched it on us. Now they want a composite number. So more than one factor. I'm seeing a 10 show up. And a 4. Oh, I'm too slow. They switched it back to prime. Prime numbers. 19 is 1. 7 is definitely 1. Good. Well, okay, now they're going fast on us. They switched it back to composite. Good. 6. I'll try to get that 6. Okay, they switched it back to prime. 5. Good. I'm not seeing the 5, but I see a 7, so I'm going to shoot the 7. Okay, perfect. And, oh, there's a 5. Prime. Come on. Oh, I didn't mean to shoot the 16. All right, we're back to composite. So it has more than one factor. 15. Actually, yeah, okay, and a 9. Where? Oh, it switched it back to prime. Okay, so this is going pretty fast. So I think we'll end it there because that's we might be confusing if we're switching that quickly. All right. Moving on. Simple little multiplication facts. We need to do a little bit of a review with those.
Okay.
So we will And this will be pretty quick for you guys because multiplication facts should be coming really fast because you've been practicing now for about 6 weeks. And just a little FYI, next week you're going to be taking your second math facts quiz. You took one at the very beginning of the year and you got your base scores. So next week you're going to be testing yourself again. Remember those 3-minute tests that you took? Yeah, so you're gonna see if you're improving a little bit. So math facts should be coming quick. Um, Probably the easiest way to do this would be to use the chat to type in the answer to the problem. Okay, here we go. 8 times 6.
48.
Okay, so we had definitely somebody with a verbal and then lots of people into the chat with a 48. Good. Oh, goodness. 8 times 10.
80.
Yes, that's right. That one was simple. 10 times 10. Yes, 100. That is a simple one as well. Okay, they gave us the same problem. We'll just move right on. 6 times 3. Ooh, you guys are getting fast. 18. Right. 6 times 6.
Ooh.
36. Woo, fast. Okay, so people are sending me these answers privately, which is good. 8 times 12. Man, Vero, you're on fire. 8 times 12. Anybody else? Oh, okay. Well, Vero said 92, so let's see. Oh, it's 96. So those are one of the things that you're going to need to go back and kind of work on. 12, and they just added it up 8 times. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 and so forth actually equals 96.
Okay.
7 times 5. 35. Good. Most of you got that one right away. Okay, 12 times 1. Well, there we go, 12. 7 times 9.
Oh.
Ooh, I don't know about that, Tyler. Think about it a little bit more. Yep, most people are saying 63, and that's correct. All right, couple more. 10 times 5. 50. All right, easy, easy stuff. All right, I want to make sure we have enough time for our game. So I'm going to go to the game, our Jeopardy game. And then if there's a category that I need to review right quick, I'll do that before we start. So let's see, we have 5 kiddos, so we're going to have 5 different teams. Okay. Ooh, wow, factors and multiples. We actually didn't talk about factors and multiples. I kind of skipped over that and forgot. So can somebody give me a definition of what a factor or a multiple is? Go ahead, Vero.
A factor is an answer to a multiplication problem.
Well, kinda. It's well, no. That's actually a product. So I think you're thinking of multiplying factors together and then getting the product. So actually, let's just look at the first example together. And a multiple of 3 and 4. So basically, if I multiplied 3 and 4 together, give me an example of a multiple. It would be 12, right?
Yes.
And then the factors of 12 are 3 and 4.
Uh,
Okay, so the factors of 12 are 3 and 4, and 12 is the multiple. Okay, so that was just one example. So I won't give anybody any points for that one, but okay. And then we have multiplication tables, which is really simple stuff. Primes and composites, which we just reviewed. Multiplication word problems, which isn't too hard. And division word problems. Same kind of concept. Maybe I'll walk you through the very first one that we do together so that we're kind of on the same page. But I'm going to flip a coin and see who gets to choose the first question. And just so you know, you can't see it, but it's here. We do have 500 on the very bottom for all of the different categories. So if you want to choose that, don't forget it's there. Okay, in my imaginary coin toss, Will has won. So I'm going to go ahead and assign you teams so you know which team you are. Tyler, you're going to be team 1. Jaden, you're team 2. Vero, you're team 3. Ryder, you're team 4. And Will, you are team 5. So team 5, you get to choose first. Okay, which problem do you want first? Oh boy. Go ahead and hold it up again. I might be able to see that. Oh, you lost the screen? Oh, that's interesting. Give me a thumbs up, everybody else, if you can still see my screen.
or
That's kind of weird. Okay, well, go ahead, Will, and tell us.
I found it.
Okay, perfect. Tell us which problem you want.
Factors and multiples for 200.
Okay, here we go. I want you to tell me all the factors of 10. So whoever has it, raise your hand. Okay, Will, you buzzed in first. Go ahead.
1, 2,
Okay.
5,
And 10.
and 10.
And that's right. I mean, basically, I just listed the two that were not 1 and 10, but 2 and 5 is correct. So you will go ahead and get the points for that, and we'll go on. Let's just go a little faster, and I'll just start choosing the problems. Let's do multiplication tables for 100. 8 times 3. Anyone? Okay, Vero typed it into the chat, and I think I saw her first. Vero said 24, and she is correct. Okay, very good. All right, guys, I'm getting a little feedback, so I'm going to turn your microphones off. So we're going to use the chat. All right, here we go. Factors and multiples for 100. Oh, were we paying attention a couple minutes ago? Give me the multiple of a 3 and 4. So only one response. That's right, Jaden. He buzzed in first and he said, what is 12? So Jaden, you got the points for that one. Right. All right, primes and composites for 100. Here we go. 6 is a prime number, true or false? Into your chat. And yeah, send it to me privately so no one else can see the answer right away. True or false? Okay. First person that buzzed in with the correct answer was, oh, looks like Jaden again. It's false. It is not a prime number. Okay? 6 has different factors. It has a 2 and a 3, as well as, of course, 1 and 6. Okay? All right, good job, Jaden. You got the points. Here we go. Oh, a little bit more difficult. Multiplication word problems. A jewelry company ordered 82 boxes of glass beads. Ooh, there were 49 beads in each box. How many glass beads did the jewelry company order? So this one's going to take you a couple minutes. I need you to multiply 82 times 49. And then I will probably show you this one as well. Unmuted. Probably show you this one as well. Okay, giving you a couple minutes to figure it out. Was it 49? 42. Yeah, okay. Okay, we got a couple answers showing up. It looks like Will was the first one, so I will buzz in for Will. And he said 4,018. And it looks like most people are getting it. So maybe I don't need to show that one. Let's see if you're right. 4,018 beads. Good job, Will. Okay, maybe that wasn't as hard as I thought. All right, well, let's be challenging then and do some division.
Okay. This stuff is fun.
Andy has 14 marbles. He wants to divide them between two of his friends. Oh, how many marbles will each friend get? That's right, Vero, you were the first. She typed it into the chat. Okay, and Vero said that each friend would get 7 marbles, and she is correct. Perfect. All right. I think we're doing pretty good on time. Vero, your microphone's on, so tell us which problem you would like me to choose.
Multiplication tables for 200.
Okay, we'll go back over here. Okay, guys, get ready because these go quick. The product of 7 times 4. Whoa, Tyler, you're on fire. Okay, Tyler buzzed in first with 28, and he's correct. Good job, Tyler. Okay, Tyler, your mic's on, so go ahead and tell us which problem you would like.
Multiplication tables for 3.
Okay, he's going for it. Here we go. It's going to go fast. Product of 7 times 9. Oh, Vero, you're on fire. She was first with the correct answer of 63. Right. Okay, go ahead, Vero.
Division word problems for 300.
Woo, she's getting crazy. Division word problems. Here we go. All right. Kamish, what a strange name. Kamish needs 4 balls of yarn to knit a sweater. If Kamish has 36 balls of yarn, how many sweaters can he make? Into the chat. Whoa, you're fast. So basically it's 36 divided by 4. That's great. That's great. I'm seeing most people have answered. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And Will, you buzzed in first with the correct answer. So there you go. All righty, here we go. Will, pick a problem for us. Just kidding, Will, you're muted. I'm going to unmute you. Go ahead, Will.
No, unmuted.
Division word problems, 400.
Okay. Division word problems for 400. There are, sorry, I got to move my screen around a little bit. There are 72 people in line to ride the bumper cars. If 8 people can go in each round, how many rounds will it take for all the people to ride? 72 divided by 8. Whoop, I got a couple answers. Guys had to get quick with your math facts. That's right, Will. That's right, Jaden. Jaden, you were the first one to buzz in. I just wanted to make sure everybody had a chance there. Ryder, how you doing? Doing pretty good, it looks like. Okay. All right, so let's see if she's right. She said 9. 9 rounds. Good job. All right, Ryder, this question is for you. Which one do you want, Ryder? We're going to let him pick.
30. 300, I mean.
Okay, and which category? You kind of cut out there at the beginning.
Um, mo multiplication word problems.
Okay. There are 45 apartments in an apartment building. Each apartment pays $311 in rent each month. How much rent does the owner of the building receive? Ooh, this will take you a couple minutes. So it's 311 times 45. Woo!
Unmuted. And the Alabama.
Will, you are fast.
Yeah,
It's hard.
a morning session, an entire morning session on thoughts gathering. You know, past that the actual.
Okay, I'm waiting for a couple more people. I think I might show this one because this one is kind of hard. God. I'm going to make it bigger. I think you were right, Will. So stick with your answer. I'm just waiting for a couple more people to finish. Okay, Tyler, are you done? See Vero working away. Yes, good, good. All right, I'm going to show this one. So most people are done. I think we're waiting on one person. Um, so we have a lot of different things that we've got going on in this problem. So we got to make sure that we line it up correctly and try to be as neat as possible. Let's just start here. Start easy. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Now, before I move on to the 4, I had to make sure I put my place value holder right here. And then we have 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. And I got to add it all up. And remember, we're talking about money, so can't forget my dollar sign. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus another 4 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then just carry my 1 down. So the answer was 13,995. All right. And Will, you buzzed in first with that one? So there you go. All right. Let's do primes and composites for 200. 7 is a prime number, true or false?
Uh,
Woo, fast, fast. Oh my goodness. True, true. That's right. Okay, we all got that one, it looks like. That's right. I'm buzzing in for Ryder. What is true? Very good. Okay, moving on. Multiplication word problems. I'm just going to kind of go right on down the line. There are 73 polka dots on each dress. How many polka dots are there? Woo, on 991 dresses. So this will take you a couple minutes. 991 times 73. Okay, 991 times 73. You're fast, Vero. Good job. You're fast too. Woo! Wow, Will. Let's give everybody just a couple more seconds. Remember to send me the private chat so that your answer isn't just out there. Okay. It's waiting for a couple more people. I'm going to start going through it, and we're going to check to see if the couple answers that, oh, there's another one, that we have are correct. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 is 29. Make sure I add my 0 for the place value holder. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 9 is 63. And then 7 times 9 is 63. And then 63 plus 6, 69. Whoops, come on, pen. And adding that all up is 72,343. Sorry, that's not lined up very well, but I can't write this close to the bottom where it just doesn't show up. And Will, you were the first person to buzz in with that. So you were correct. Okay, those take a couple minutes because they're big problems. All right, let's do a fast one. Multiplication tables. Are you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Multiplication tables for 400. Oh, the product of 11 times 12. Woo! I can tell who's been practicing some multiplication tables. Okay, everybody should have an answer.
Okay.
All right, Vero, you were the first one with 132. Fantastic. That one was quick. Multiples and factors for 300. Sorry, I think I'm hearing somebody in the background, so I'm going to go ahead and just mute this for just a second. Okay. A number is a multiple of 6 if the sum of its digits are divisible by 3 and it ends in an even number. Oh, that's kind of tricky. True or false? What do you think? Yep, Will, you were first again. The correct answer is true. So if you want to know if a number is a multiple of 6, if the sum of its digits are divisible by 3 and it ends in an even number, it is a multiple of 6. Very good. You're on fire today. There we go. Primes and composites for 300. Oh, okay, I'm going to unmute you. Who wants to tell me in their own words what a prime number is? Jaden.
I'm actually a marketing person, but that didn't matter. And I used to be in sales, so
7.
Oh, well, that's a
yeah,
really good example.
one that-
Can you tell me what it is?
It only has one in itself.
That's
Only
right.
one in itself.
That's right. Only has one in itself for divisors. Very good, Jaden. Okay. Let's move on over to, we got to do more of the division. So let's do some division word problems. Okay. Sorry, I'm moving the screen. There we go. 63 students go to see a play in a theater. The theater has 9 seats in each row. How many rows of seats do the students need? Wow, you're fast. Fast. So it's 63 divided by 9. Very good, Vero. You were the first one again. 7 rows. Woo! Okay. Will, can you retype your question for me? Because I'm not sure what that second word is. But we're going to go on. Factors and multiples for 400. Factor of 18. Is it a 9 or a 7? Yes. 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 Very good. And Jaden was first on that one. The 9 is a factor of 18.
Oh,
Okay, good job, Ryder. You were right in there.
I get it now.
Yeah, which one was it, basically, is what I was saying. Sorry. Okay, we're going to go really fast on this one. This is a multiplication fact. So get ready for 500. Product of 12 times 12.
Okay.
Yay! Yay! Oh, you guys like 12 times 12, I guess. Will, you were first, and it is 144. You are fast. Okay, factors and multiples for 500. That's right, Ryder. You were correct too. I'm going to give it to you because you were tied. You had just mistyped it the very first time. Okay, which one of the following numbers is a multiple of 6? 34, 42, or 36? Good job. Good job, Jaden. You were first. 42. Oh, that's kind of a trick question. Oh, that's a trick question. 36 counts as well. So everybody who put either one of those, I'm going to give the points to. That was a trick question. I guess maybe that's why I made it worth so much. All righty. Primes and composites for 400. Here we go. Who wants to tell me what a composite number is?
Unmuted.
All right, Jaden, go for it.
All right, Jaden, go for it.
A composite number has more groups of itself, more than one in itself.
Yes, multiple divisors, so more divisors than just one in itself. For instance, like 6, you have a 2 and a 3 that are also factors. Very good. Okay, Jaden, so you are team number 2. Rock on. All right, primes and composites for 500. The composite number 6 has the following factors. Okay, what basically I'm asking you what they are. So I'm seeing a couple people typing in a couple different answers. Okay, Vero, you're the first one with some correct answers. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Good work. Okay, multiplication word problems. So these will take you a little bit longer. A ketchup company purchased 22 shipments of tomatoes. There were 837 tomatoes in each shipment. How many tomatoes did the company purchase in all? Okay, go for it. Woo! You're fast, Will. Let's give everybody just a couple minutes to try. $837 times 22. Okay. I've actually got a couple different answers. Okay, let's see. I'm going to buzz in for Vero. 18,414. So actually, looks like Will was our winner for that one. Okay, that was a tough one.
Okay.
Here we go. I think we have a couple problems left. They're pretty tough. They're worth 500 points, so let's do it. There are 82 dots on the ceiling tile. How many dots are there on 474 ceiling tiles?
Sorry.
So this is 474 times 82. Okay, got one answer. Tyler, are you working this out? Okay. Yes, I will. That is a great idea.
Okay.
Ah, sorry about that. Whoops, there we go.
It's fine.
Times 82. And I want Vero to walk me through this one because she definitely has it right. So go for it, Vero. What's my first step?
So 4 times 2 is 8.
Mm-hmm.
Then you do it again. 8.
Well,
4 times.
actually, we moved to 2 times 7, right? And 2 times
Yes.
7 is 14.
And 14
Right. And then 2 times 4
is 8,
plus 1.
9,
Good. Add my 0 for the place value holder, and then we'll move over here. So what's 8 times 4?
32,
Okay. 8 times 7?
56
Okay. 56 plus 3.
is 59.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, 59. There we go.
Okay.
My pin doesn't work when I get too close to the bottom here. 8 times 4?
Is 32.
Good. Plus 5? 37, right? And when you add it all up, oh my goodness, I don't know what happened to my screen there. We came up with 38,868. So let's check and see if that is correct. All right, sorry about this. My cat is in the way, so I'm having to pull up a bunch of different screens. And you're correct. Good job. All right, guys, we have one last problem. Here we go.
Yay.
All right. A librarian took 81 magazines and arranged them into stacks of 9. How many stacks did the librarian make? It's actually pretty quick.
Is this multiplication or division?
This is division. 81 divided by 9.
Okay.
I'm going to award the points to everybody who gets it right. So go ahead and type it into the chat.
Hold on.
Okay, 81 divided by 9. Waiting on maybe one more person or two. Good, 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 good. Okay, everybody who said 9 is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and award those points. Yay! Good job, everyone. That was fun. So today we went over our multiplication tables times 12. And don't forget, you have your first test next week. So you're going to try to beat the scores that you did, I guess it was about 6 weeks ago now. Factors and multiples, primes and composites, and then we worked a little bit with actually multiplication and division word problems. So that's our time for today. It's been fun. Yay! Give me a wave goodbye.